this is just a small video to explain how the works is going ahead. I have two of the engineers from KAN Construction. I think they can start by introducing themselves, and then I will ask few questions just for information. Yeah.
I'm Engineer James Nyok. I'm the MD, Managing Director of KAN Construction Company.
Leek, Project Engineer, KAN Construction Company.
I would like to ask you, especially with the progress of the works. I think within the plans, I have heard from one of your engineers also here that you were planning to have the blocks ready, like from Juba straight up to here. And then I have heard that you did not find the standard quality, so that you have decided to mold the blocks here, and then it has taken more time on foundation. Would you explain more on that?
According to the work plan which we gave you, the whole foundation and excavation was supposed to be 4 weeks, right?
Yeah.
Which is 1 month. Unfortunately, it has gone beyond, simply because when we're doing the work plan, we thought that the blocks will be readily available because there are a lot of people molding the blocks. So we thought we could just go get the blocks, then we start constructing the foundation. But unfortunately, when we went and we did the testing on the blocks which were already laid, so they were of poor quality, and we never wanted actually to just bring them and we do the construction. So we minded about the quality of the work that we are going to deliver, and also the safety of the work. So that's why we decided to only bring the sand and the cement, and then we lay the blocks here on the side, which has actually taken quite a long time, because we can't lay the block and then we start constructing. We need to give it a duration of curing in which it has to achieve the strength which is needed. So that one has actually delayed the work. But if we wanted to achieve the time frame which we indicated in the work plan, we would have just gone for the poor quality block, then we go on. But we never wanted that, because we know we need the quality, you also need the quality. So that's why we had to compromise the planned time. Then we have to make sure we deliver the quality work instead of doing the work within the budgeted time, and it will become of the poor quality. Yeah.
The other thing that actually delayed the work, that contributed to the work delay, is when we came, we discovered that the place that we are building the structure is actually a water-prone area in which it needs a very strong foundation. That thing has given us a clue, and we were able to redesign the foundation, in which we have traced the foundation to
1 meter above
1 meter above the ground, and that one has actually contributed to another cost of material that need to be brought, like a backfilling material, and there are other challenges that are not in our scope of work. The backfilling material is from different areas, and those areas they had some differences with the government, and they did not able to actually allow us to take the material. So
by the backfilling, you mean these trucks that have been delivered right now?
That we have just
okay.
delivered today. So by this week, we are sure if 100%, if we are not achieving 100% of the foundation, at least 90% of the foundation will be done this week, because we have already supplied the material we need to backfill the foundation. This is not just an ordinary material, it is a material that is stabilized, that will actually sustain any nature of water that will pass through it. So these are the things that delay our work, and we wish we will compensate the time lost in the foundation on the superstructure, which is the walling. So we are not all that bad in the construction. We are sure by the next 3 weeks we will see the better part of our work. Thank you.
Yeah, just to back up on what my colleague has said, that is true. You know, when you look deeply here, according to the first plan where we did the BOQ, we thought that we shall only backfill using the material we are going to use from the trenches. But coming to realize that it is water prone, as he said, we have to make sure we raise it, making sure now it is too deep as you are seeing it. So we have to make sure we bring more trucks of backfilling materials, not the ordinary one. So all this one, you can even look at inside how deep it is. So
yeah,
that's why we had to raise it and make sure we bring more backfilling material than the natural one which was there.
Yeah, so it's like 1 meter upper,
1 meter above the ground. Yes.
1 meter above the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Just previous because of the nature of the place where the construction is taking place.
All right. I think this is very good. It is good to know that we have the right blocks, the standard one, the quality, and then it is good to know also that the foundation has been raising up, and then it is good to know also we are very happy to know that you have already managed to bring the soil at for the backfilling. I think so. This is very good. I think if there is anything else you can add, I think that's it. It is very good to know that one.
Yeah, it took us long to bring the backfilling material as he put it before, because the backfilling material which is available here in town is just 10 kilometers from where we are working. And when the government got disagreement with the local community, they tried to shut it down. So we tried all the possible ways, and we brought this backfilling material very far, 30 kilometers from town here, which was additional cost. And it was through bargaining and getting approval of bringing the foreign the foreign material. I mean, the material we was not from this location. So we have to make sure that we get approval from the government to allow us to make sure we bring the backfilling materials not from this particular locality.
Correct.
So that's why we delayed, because of the process that we were following until they grant us to bring the material from that far.
The other thing that we appreciate working with your
TEEC, the exam.
And this is what we are preempting to work in future. So the way we value this project is for the benefit of the community. So we are trying to put all the scope of work in that time frame, so that the TEEC is achieve its objective for this project. So we are much, and we are sorry that we did not finish the foundation for the specified or the time schedule that we put in the project, because of the circumstances and conditions of this place. So we still ask you to have more time, patience, and you see in the next 3 weeks the walling will be done. The foundation will finish, and the walling will be done, because we have qualified masons and carpenters, and material are available at the site. So we don't see any other difficult part of the work. The difficult part of the work is almost coming to an end, and by then, on maybe 28th, 27th of this month, March, we will have the structure up. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us time, and also sharing with us and the team in Canada. We so much appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Now, thank you very much, KAN, for the work you have done. I've seen the work is okay, very excellent, and right from the start of the project, I have realized KAN has added an additional design on the building. I can see there is a veranda, and it wasn't there. And even the way you have raised it up also, it wasn't there. And I understand also from your profile, this is your 13th project you are doing in South Sudan, in Boria. And being the 13th project, I really appreciate you, because such a thing were not in the quotation. And you understand us better, because we want these things to be done with the little we have. So thank you very much for the work done. I can see all the 7 trucks you have said are fine. And yesterday we have also reported. Today we reported 7 Sino trucks. And I'm happy that they are all available now. So thank you very much. Keep up with the good work. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you. This is the video here. That's it. Those are the sands, the trips of soil, I mean. As you can see, yeah. And this is the foundation. As you can see, it's well above the ground. It is more clear here. Yeah, as you can see, the foundation is way up. It has been started from down there coming to up. and then the inside here have to be backfilled so that it will be leveling, and then after that they will add the maram and then they will cast, as you can see this side here. So that's it. This is it from us here. Thank you so much.